We are looking at the PSLD M series liner from the VentAHood collection. Your cabinet maker will design a box that this unit will slide up inside of. You can have your choice of either purchasing an M600 or an M1200 blower. You're going to notice this unit is equipped with dual level LED lights. It's also got a rotary switch with 4 different power settings. These units have a removable filter that can be cleaned. Essentially, the air is traveling through these filters and it is required to zigzag in order to make its way to the blower system and up into the ductwork. This is essentially what separates the grease from the airstream, and it's that zigzagging that causes this hood to come in at a higher sound volume. So you have 2 things happening here. You have the sound of the motor and the sound of air moving. In some cases, the air moving is louder than the motor. Feel free to check into my ducting do's and don'ts course here on YouTube. I can give you tricks and tips for a quiet installation, and I can give you all of the drawbacks to reducing the duct pipe so you get 100% efficiency from this high-end appliance. As we take a look at this model, VentAHood has a mounting height between 27 and 30 inches. If you watch my tutorial on this same unit, but the SLD model, you'll notice it has a lower recommended mounting height between 24 and 27. So on this model here, you can choose from the M600 blower or the M1200 blower. So even though this unit is coming in at a higher sound level than the Magic Lung version of this hood, this does have some distinct advantages over the Magic Lung. So as we take a look at this M600, we see that we can get 625 CFM into a 6-inch pipe. If you're in the middle of a renovation, you might only have a 6-inch pipe already in the wall and not want to excavate or change out that roof cap. In other cases, you may only have room for a 6-inch duct pipe. If you were to use a hood equipped with the Magic Lung, even though it's quieter and easy to clean, it only can deliver 300 CFM into that 6-inch pipe. So that's one advantage to the M series. Here we have a wall louver, VP526. These are high-flow wall louvers. They're preferable over roof caps and wall caps you might find at a hardware store because they're perfectly matched to the square inches of the pipe they're connecting it to, and they have maximum airflow. We have roof cap options, VP539 or VP539 HP. You just need to figure out how steep your roof is to determine which roof cap is going to work out. We have a video at VentAHoodparts.com to help you determine how steep your roof is. As we move down to the M1200, now we can get 1,035 CFM into a 10-inch pipe. And if we were to use the Magic Lung, we'd still be able to furnish a 3-blower that could get up to 900 CFM, but not quite this CFM if we're going with a 10-inch pipe from the top of the hood to the exterior of the home. With that M1200 option, you have the wall louver, VP554, or the roof caps, VP552 or VP552 HP. Now we're taking a look at the M1200 here. It does require a VP566 transition. Now that part is going to come with the purchase of the M1200 blower. It's just essentially taking 2 streams of air and combining it into a 10-inch round. So as we look at this unit, we see that they offer it in a 30-inch, a 36-inch, a 42, a 48, a 54, a 60, and a 66. Important to note here that you can use the M600 or the M1200 in any of these units. So here is the second advantage of the M series versus the Magic Lung. Essentially, we've got these smaller units here, the M28, the M34, and the M40. You can actually put the M1200 into all 3 of these models, and so essentially you're getting 1,035 CFM into these smaller widths. And when using the Magic Lung, you wouldn't be able to fit this much horsepower in this size this small. So I have customers that come along that do a lot of wok cooking or stir fry, or maybe you have an indoor barbecue. These are all cases where you'd want maximum horsepower in a very small width. So this unit might be a good option for you. If you have any additional questions on this, we definitely have answers. We are kitchenfoundry.com. You can click the link in the top right-hand corner of the screen. It'll take you to our website, where you can see all of the items we have for sale. Showroom located 4945 East Hunter Avenue in Anaheim, California, 92807. give us a call, 949-275-4496. We are awaiting your installation questions. I also take questions here on YouTube on any of my installation videos. And even if you're not buying a product from us, I'm happy to give out my appliance knowledge.